Guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm here with my boy Terror Bear. What's up, Terror Bear? What's up, Terror Bear? This video won't be long because I have school I have to go to. School is so boring. So boring. Hey, what you doing, boy? Terrence, say hi to the camera. I'm gonna show you how loyal he is. You think your dogs are loyal? Well, this cat will eat chips sometime. I'm about to show you some chips. You know who I am. I got some Ruffles name brand chips. And Terrence is about to eat one. Terrence, don't you want the chip? If you're hungry. He didn't want it, but sometimes he does. Terrence, do our trick. Jump. Jump for me. Can you give me a paw? Don't attack my fingers. Don't attack my fingers. Well, he wants to be a little lion, but yeah. So that is today's vlog. If you liked, then good for you. But I'm DeAndre, signing out. Yeah.